Really good day today. Personal record for profit for me. I'm trying not to really focus on that. I'm really more in a skill building phase, and the outcome is kind of a result of that profit. But um, it's still fun, and my ego likes it. Today, I only traded two stocks. It's like the Super Bowl of earnings season, and there's a lot of opportunity everywhere. And instead of getting spread out and focus on a bunch of crazy different things, I only just focus on two stocks. I looked at a lot, but basically I just kept it down and I just plowed in when I knew it was going to work, and it did work, and it worked out nicely for me. Um, the other thing I'm kind of happy about is I looked at some pre-trade, pre-market levels, which I've been starting to do that after catching that on some SMB trainings. But I can see a support and a resistance channel here before the market opens. And so what happened was, for some reason, it just took this big dip right into the market. That's the market line right there. Let me get this out of the way. There you go. And so it just was climbing, 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 and it hit this. I can't see. I got in somewhere over here, and then it was climbing, 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 and so I got in 1,000 shares, and I took off half, and then when it hit this, I either knew it's going to burst through or it's going to act as that ceiling, and so I took off another half, and I kept 250 just to say what was going to happen if it was. So I had 1,000, I scaled out 500, and I scaled out half of that, which is 250. I kept 250 on, and then I could see that I was starting to go back down, so I just got out of the 250. So that ended up being pretty good. So once it went back down, um, I see that it's going to climb back up to this resistance line, and I don't know if it's going to go over it, but it's going to continue to, it's going to go on there. So I watched it, and once it went past VWAP, I felt like sellers were in control, so I got in at 1,000 shares, and I got out half, and half of what was left, and then half, and then it turned, which was okay. Just as curiosity, yeah, it kind of hit that line, and that acted like the support line throughout the day. So, so I actually played that just right then. I got out near that line and on that line a couple times, so that was good. And I was able to just walk away. I was like, well, I'm up $1,200. Let's get the hell out of here. So pre-market levels looked like there was some sort of a channel right here. This is kind of when the institutions start buying, and I want to get in front of that. So it went down a little bit, but it stayed above VWAP, and the volume supported that, so it was going to go up. But so I was watching it. I kind of expected it to hit this top channel line. It didn't, and it just fell. And I was like, great. I'll take it. So I bought some right away, and it ended up going down, down, down. So it was a matter of just holding on, because it was like, you're down $200 or whatever. It's like, 200, 250. So really, if I was super confident, like I was just scared that it went past VWAP, but I just felt like it was going to climb towards this line, and so it sure did. So I got out half there, and I wanted to see. It looked like it was really struggling to climb north of that. So I exited half and then exited the other half, and not too bad. Not too bad. It's a good day. Had a good day yesterday too. 2 good days feels good.